How to buy things from PayPal on Amazon. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can buy anything from your PayPal on Amazon. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First thing, you will need to locate what you want to buy. After you've found something that you like and you want to buy it, you will notice that you cannot use your PayPal directly on Amazon. PayPal is not a method of payment on Amazon. So if you want to buy something but you only use PayPal, what you can do is you can buy something else from the PayPal. So head over to Dundle.com, and under Dundle.com you can actually buy Amazon gift cards using PayPal. Now this is a legit method. It's not just it's nothing else. It's a legit method. So after you're on Dundle.com, you'll find this gift card option. If you tap on it, it will expand like this, and then you'll find Amazon. Tap on Amazon. After you tap on Amazon, you'll get the list of Amazon gift cards. As you can see right here, the PayPal is a secure payment method in here. So you can buy whichever PayPal that you want. Tap on this Amazon gift card, add it to your cart. Let me delete this one right here, and then tap on checkout. After you go through the payment method from your PayPal, you will then be mailed your gift card, which you can receive from your gift card and then come back here. After you're here, just find what you like, add it to your cart, and if you add it to your cart, you can then proceed to checkout. And after you proceed to checkout, you will see your payment methods here. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see your available balance section where you can enter the gift card code which you recently bought from your Dundle.com. After you apply it, you'll actually be able to use the payment method. And it's basically that simple, guys. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye. Take care.